All right, welcome back to Techie, and in this tutorial we are going to look at div and span. All right, div and span are tags in HTML5, and they enable you to arrange some things like some of your some element that display on your site. They allow you to arrange them and organize them. So my title is going to be div and tag, div and span. All right. So back to the editor. Let's look at how these two things work. The span tag is an inline element which does not break your tag, while the div tag is a block element that automatically breaks some content to the next line. All right, let's see how this works. We're going to start with div and see how we can make use of div to arrange some things. The div tag is the div. Let's close it. Let's say in this div I have a heading as heading 1. And after the paragraph tags, and after the heading tag, we'll make use of a paragraph to say some things in there. And if we are to play this on the screen, see how it will be. We have about us and our text is there running. All right. And also still in the same way, we can have another div tag and you discover that this will be shift down different from this. So, and you can take the div tag from up here by selecting it to open and close it. So we hit the enter button, and here I'm going to have another heading as heading 1, and here I'll say something like what we can do, and I'll have a paragraph to do some tests there. And if you play it on the screen, you can see that we have these two sections. We have these two div in different sections. You see, it aligned them separately. See it on the desktop sidebar. You can see the first one is about us, is on its own, and the second one is what we can do and is on its own. This is one thing that a div can do, and if for any reason we bring a div to this place, what will happen is that it will break it down entirely. Okay, for the span tag, I'm not going to look at it in this course until we start CSS because I want everything to be normal. Okay, anyway, let's make use of it and see how it goes. All right, like here we are having this, we have this in our about us here, and I would like to see this maintaining traffic order. I would like it to be in red color. You can make use of span for that. All you have to do is to open up a span tag, and we can open the span tag with the help of span tag like this. Okay, the span tag is going to close itself. As you know, every tag closes itself automatically here. So I'll take the closing tag from there and end it here right after the order. To close your tag, you see we have a closing tag symbol on the top editor keyboard, so we can just select it and then we close it. Tag is a span tag. All right, and that is it. If you go, nothing will happen for now. It will be on its own. But assuming you make use of div tag, it will cut it down. It will cut it down, like seriously. I'm not going to show you that. You can test that on your own. Now, for this span tag, I would like to give it a style quickly. I don't recommend this. I just want to show you something. That is why I'm going to do it here. So we can say style. And inside the style, we'll say equal to. I'll say something like color red. All right. Once you play it on the screen, oh, my bad, I did not close it properly. It have to end with a semicolon. You can see our style was still as type. That is why it's not working. So it's style equal to color red. And if we play it on the screen, the color of maintaining traffic order will be in red color. This is one thing we can use the span tag to do. All right, and another way we can also use it in other tags as well. So you can see the area we're having the span tags, I have changed the color to red because I said the color of that place should be red. Catch you up in the next class.